Freelancing in 2025 is not just about making extra cash, it's about building a career on your own terms. But let's be real. Most people jump in without a plan and struggle to find clients, set rates, or even stay motivated. If you want to launch a successful freelance business this year, stick around, because I'm breaking it down into 6 simple steps. Let's get started. The first mistake people make? Trying to do everything? Instead of offering 10 different skills, pick 1 or 2 that you're really good at. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, web development, or video editing, choose a niche that has high demand and aligns with your skills. Clients don't care about your experience, they care about results. So if you're new, create sample projects to showcase your skills. You can do mock projects, volunteer for small businesses, or even create a website with your best work. Avoid the biggest rookie mistake, undervaluing yourself. Instead of charging too low, research what freelancers in your field are making. Start with competitive rates and increase them as you gain experience. Let's be honest, just making a profile on Upwork won't get you clients. You have to be proactive. Use LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and even cold outreach to connect with potential clients. And don't forget, your network is gold. Tell your friends, family, and past colleagues about your services. Freelancing is not just about skills, it's about relationships. Always be professional, clear, and reliable. Respond quickly, meet deadlines, and under-promise but over-deliver. That's how you get repeat clients and referrals. Once you start getting consistent clients, think bigger. Automate tasks, outsource small projects, and increase your rates. The goal? Work smarter, not harder. And there you have it. 6 steps to launching a successful freelance business in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Now tell me in the comments, which freelancing skill are you working on this year? Let's discuss.